Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi, Stanley.
Oh my god. This feels like a lake.
Yes, I am wearing only boxers.
I feel like a drug mule. Tom, you didn't have white boxer briefs. You wanted to wear
You
anything?
definitely don't want to step on the
No.
rocks.
How could have been X-rated?
How you doing, Stanley?
Well, on the bright side, this is definitely a foot hummusing. Oh, I thought you said there were 30 showers.
Woo! That was close. Me too.
It's rather wet. I probably about $3,000 worth of cameras in my bag.
I have a whole bunch of iPhones. Are you okay?
You ready to keep moving?
I'm moving, dude. It's not very
You okay there?
Yeah. They're very slippery. It's okay. It doesn't. Did you step on something?
Yeah, right? It's like...
Are you alright?
Oh, and testicles have climbed up inside.
The water's actually pretty warm. Yeah, Dylan, take it off. You can do it.
Is it easier to go through this way? I think not too bad, but it gets deeper. Than this? Oh, I see slippery here. But... Hold on to the rock.
Now I'm going to have to mark the video as inappropriate. Look at that Boy Scout down there. Oh! I know we need to reapply sunscreen and bug spray. You gotta.
I'm fine. I'm just sliding like a mother.
Oh, that's shittles. Chase the shitstorm.
I don't know why I'm supporting you. I'm about to go down too. Are you recording this?
Oh yeah. I'd like to point out that I have everyone's iPhones and I have not fallen in.
You alright there?
Yeah.
Of course not, like so that. Except for Stanley.
I don't know about the wetness. It's the slippery.
You know, and these rocks are fucking hurting my feet.
I don't mind being wet.
So close, but so far.
I'm gonna take off my pants. Whoa, shizzle.
Joey's in the lead.
It's not too bad around here. It's not a race. In fact, this is all just pulling off. That's the problem. Well, at least I'm starting better. Look. Wet.
Yay! I peed.
I'm in my briefs.
Me too.
You get that?
What color are we wearing today?
Orange.
Forward.
No, I mean like this way or that way around the rocks.
I would go forward.
I think they both kind of suck from watching the other people and watching our journey.
Nice job. You made it.
Survived.
No, no, no.
Are you okay?
Once I'm sure he's okay, I'm gonna continue laughing. Oh god.
You okay?
Yeah. Did no one else have trouble with the rocks in their feet?
No.
Yeah, they kind of hurt.
Yeah.
My front foot is slipping. I'm trying to find a spot for both. It turns out I can do splits. That's a new skill.
You'll be a bottom soon enough.
Right.
Looks can be deceiving, my friend. I can't have to pee. Should I do it now?
Yeah. Why don't just pee in the water?
I'm not gonna pee in Tom shorts.
It doesn't matter. It's not like it's not something they've experienced before.
Last steps. Yeah.
Sorry, did I splash you?
Victory.
Victory is yours. You know what would be really funny is when we walk down like, you know, a half mile and there's a crossover.
I've actually found a pretty decent path.
I guess I kind of understand why people have those five-toed stupid shoes
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, there's one that's slippery, one that isn't.
I'd much rather
Hey, Ladybug.
my shoes have gotten wet than.
Well, your shoes got wet anyway.
Yeah. Oh man. Like I feel like they were like mashed against the rock a bunch of times.
Couldn't they like dredge these for us?
This was a difficult, apparently it was rated as a, what was it, moderate to difficult?
This is the point?
Well, I mean, it's not really hiking unless you're half naked swimming through a thing of, I don't know, whatever the hell.
Did I forget to tell you guys about the piranhas?
Whatever, I can handle those.
Oh, at least the water's getting a little warmer.
I'm not bleeding, so.
Let's
Yay.
get out of the water.
It's not your period. Good for you.
Not yet. That could happen at any moment, though.
Right?
Oh, God. Oh, no. All these big rocks are really slippy.
They usually are. That's where the algae grows.
But they're all just... it's all
Yummy.
the little rocks are painful, and the big rocks are slippery.
Which rock should I take?
Which rock should I take?
Stanley, how did you get your feet cleaned?
That's a slippery rock.
I just... When I didn't walk through the dirty water. From the clear water, I walked along the edge, and then I just came right up onto the rocks, like a mermaid, basking in the sun.
I really want those
Getting
shoes.
sunburned.
Now I understand them.
Right?
Those toe water shoes make a whole lot of sense right now.
Yeah, I'm still going to mock them because they look dumb.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna mock them, but I'm probably going to also, like,
Yeah.
maybe get a pair if we ever do this again.
Same here.
Just to keep in your backpack.
Yeah, like, no one
Like, I
has to
wouldn't wear
know.
them all the time.
No one has to know.
I don't know.
Like that Wonder Woman uniform we all secretly have underneath our clothes. I mean,
What?
I don't know where yours is. I
No,
stole
I have
yours.
Catwoman.
I have Superman in me.
we mean Catty Woman.
Shut up, bitch.
Just so y'all know, it only took us 10 minutes to cross.
Oh, that's cool.
That's because you took all the traction off the good rocks.
They knocked the moss off the bad stuff.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's an interesting feeling. Are those marks from things biting me or from rocks? Cool.
Probably both.
Okay, well, at some point I'll get all this back once it warms up.
Nice job, everybody.
Yeah, where do we
Team
go
spirit.
It's not over yet, kids.
now? Oh,
It's
Don't-
like an accident that happened in the last 5 minutes of home.
Well, that's why I haven't stopped filming.
Oh, you did everything. I can't look at it.
Are you just going to stand there? What are we doing?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna go up here to put on shoes. I don't think I'm gonna put pants on yet. I'll find a better place up there to do that. Because I want to let this dry out a little bit.
You guys can have the rock when I'm done.
Oh, there's really no point in having these rolled up anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right?